If you are a Costco member, you might be wondering if the Costco Anywhere Visa Card is worth adding to your wallet. In this video, we will break down the benefits and drawbacks of the Costco credit card to help you decide whether it's the right fit for you. So the Costco Anywhere Visa Card is a versatile credit card offering cashback rewards in various spending categories, both at Costco and beyond. Since it is a Visa card, you can use it anywhere Visa is accepted, not just at Costco. But what sets this card apart? Let's dive into the cashback box. So if we scroll down on this page, you will notice that you get 10% cashback at Costco. So the most straightforward benefit is the 2% cashback on purchases made at Costco and Costco.com. While this sounds great, keep in mind that many other credit cards offer 2% cashback on all purchases, including those that are made at Costco. So while this is a solid perk, you can achieve similar savings using other cards as well. Now, the second perk that this card provides is the 4% cashback. So this is where the Costco Visa card truly stands out. You get 4% cashback on gas and EV charging, but there is a $7,000 limit annually. After that, you will earn just 1% cashback. Now, one thing to note, to maximize this benefit, you will need to buy gas at Costco, as gas purchased from other stores including warehouse clubs and the convenience stores only earns 1% cashback. Now we have the 3% cashback on restaurants and travels. So the card offers 3% cashbacks at most restaurants and on eligible travel purchases. This includes cafes, bars, lounges, airfares, hotels, car rentals, and even Costco travels. However, some exceptions apply, such as restaurants located within retail stores and certain types of travels like timeshares or commuter travel. Now, additionally, there are some card holder benefits. So, beyond cashback, the Costco Visa card offers some additional perks, like the purchases made with the card may be covered for up to 120 days for damage or theft. Card holders can score discounts on events like concerts, sports, games, and dining experiences through cities entertainment services. The card can double as your Costco membership ID, so you don't need to carry a separate card when shopping at Costco. Now let's talk about how you actually redeem your cashback. So unlike many credit cards that allow ongoing redemption, the Costco Visa card has a more rigid system. Cashback rewards are accumulated from January through December, and you can only redeem them once in a year after your February billing cycle. The cashback is issued as a certificate which can be used for Costco purchases or redeemed for cash at a Costco location. If your rewards are $300 or more, Citi may offer a direct deposit option. However, if you close your credit card account before redeeming, you will forfeit any pending cashback rewards. While the card offers solid perks, there are some drawbacks of it that needs to be considered. Many credit cards offered sign-up bonus, but the Costco Visa card doesn't have this feature. There is no special interest rate for new purchases or the balance transfer as well. The once per year cashback redemption process may be inconvenient for those who prefer more frequent access to their rewards. Now we come with the question, is it actually worth it? So the Costco Visa card is an excellent option if you already buy gas at Costco and frequently spend in the categories where it offers high cashback rates. However, if your goal is to maximize your cashback on all purchases, you may want to pair this card with another cashback credit card that offers at least 2% on everything else. So, in a nutshell, the Costco Anywhere Visa card provides valuable cashback perks for Costco shoppers, especially those who frequently buy gas or dine out. However, for maximum savings, consider using the Costco card for its bonuses, categories, and another card for everything else. So that was it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video for more this type of money saving tips. Thank you so much for watching.